Phonics Academy online class grade 3. So students, you have to do now we have to do unit number 1 whole numbers. So students, you know what last in the lecture we have been do how do you present the number on number line. You have to present your number according to the make your line according to this number line. Like that you have to present your number 5, 6. So you have take a 6 number. You have to draw a line 0 to 6, yeah 0 to 10, and you have be at the point of 6 you have present your number on your number line. So students, today we have to do, let us practice page number 23. So all the students open your page number 23 and also pick your pencil. Today lecture is about that how we write the number by skipping this number. Like that you have to skip 2, you have to skip 3, you have to skip 7, 5, you also we skip 10, you also we skip 100. It's depend on your given instruction. So let's start our today lecture in a question number 1. Do skip counting in twos. You have to write a counting and the number skip counting in 2. You have to skip number 2 and then write a other number and write the number. You have to in your statement they also be mentioned that you have to skipping 2 number. Like that the first question is 2500 to 2510. They say that you write the numbers 2500 to 2510 by skipping the 2 numbers. So students, you now write 2500 when you have skipped 2, 1 and 2, 2502, but 2502. Then after to skip 2, the number is 2504. After that 2506, 2508 and 2510. It means that by each word, you have after to by each word skip 2 numbers. But after to that the number is given 7644 to 7654. 7644 to 7654. You have skipped 2 numbers. 7644. That's the first number is to be given. In a instruction they say that skip 2 numbers. Here you have skipped 2 numbers 7646. After that you have skipped 2 numbers 7648. Fourth is 7650, 7652 and last is 7654. After that question number C, 6036. You have to skip 2 numbers that means your instruction 6036. 6000 skip 2 numbers that's take at 38. 6040 after skipping 2 numbers. Then 6042, 6044 and 6046. That's we are you know that that's all we are even number that's become on the table of 2. After that the last digits to be a odd number 5, 3. You know that the odd number are not become on the table of 2. So students, the numbers is given 5155 to 5163. In this range you have to write the number and skipping the E after each number 2 numbers. Okay, 5155. When you have skipped 2 numbers, make up 5157. Then you have skipped 2 numbers 5159, 5161 and 5163. After that the question number E, they say that 8407. 8407 to 8470. So after to have to follow this instruction, skip 2 numbers 8407. When you have skipped this 8409. After is 8411. When you have skipped 2 numbers 8413, 8415 and 8417. You have write the every after number. Before write the after number, you have skipped 2 digits and write the 2 digits of that number. 9320 to 9328. So after that to this skipping instruction to follow the instruction and write this 9320, skipping counting twos 9322, 9323 got 9326 and 9328. So student, let's we have number is used to skipping that be given in instruction. Do skip this counting in these two. That's the instructions may be 3, it may be 5, it may be 10. So they follow the instructions, skip the number and write the after number.